If you haven't paid attention, Timex has been putting in the work lately, releasing model after model with more and more beautiful designs. And some watches are a huge success, just like the Timex Marlin Chronograph Tachymeter. Today we are going to have a look at the 40mm green dial model that comes on the brown leather strap. I will do my best to show you why I believe this is the best chronograph under $200 at this moment. I will leave a link in the description below in case you want to check out all the watches that are mentioned throughout this video. If you are new to the channel and enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing as it helps me to continue making these videos. Give it a like and let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. Now back to the video. First of all, let's talk dimensions and specs. The watch has a case diameter of 40mm, a case thickness of 13mm, and a lug-to-lug height of 44mm. The lug width is 20mm in case you want to replace the strap in the future. The watch is powered by a quartz movement and it has a date window between 4 and 5 o'clock, something that I believe looks amazing. When it comes to the dial, there are many colors to choose from, such as blue, green, gray, gold, black, white, and also the new racing inspired models. On the outer ring of the dial you can find the tachymeter index that you can use in order to measure the speed on a racing track in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. The acrylic domed watch crystal is one of my favorite features of the Timex Marlin Chronograph because it pays tribute to their DNA. If you own a vintage Timex watch, you know a domed acrylic crystal is a must. The water resistance is only 50 meters, with a simple push and pull watch crown, but you do not need more than that from this elegant piece, assuming you won't jump in the pool with it. This model comes on the leather Timex strap that is ultra comfortable, maybe my favorite strap when it comes to Timex watches. I have been wearing this for several months now and it still looks great. Also, it features a quick release system for those who want to swap straps for different outfits. For a small price increase, you can upgrade to a stainless steel bracelet if you prefer it. Speaking of price, this exact watch model is listed on their website for $179. With the stainless steel bracelet, the price varies between $199 and $219. If you go on Amazon, you can probably find these for less, but also keep an eye on the Timex website because they have constant sales, so you can end up paying 25 to 40% less, making it the cheaper option in the end. When it comes to the wrist size recommendation for the 40mm model, Timex suggests a wrist circumference between 150 and 205 mm or between 5.9 inches and 8.1 inches. I have a wrist size of 165 mm or 6.5 inches and this watch fits me amazingly. The design of the watch is a big success. I have seen a lot of other YouTubers praising this model and also the Panda one. I also have the green dial Cassie Oak, the GM2100, and these are my favorite green dial watches. In my view, everyone should own a green dial watch. You can also check out the full video about the G-Shock GM2100, link in the description box below. I also have to mention the chronograph. The sweeping movement of the chronograph seconds hand would make you believe this is an automatic watch, but it is not. I guarantee you will play with the chrono function from time to time just to look at the flawless motion of the watch hands. Now let's talk about the overall finishing and this amazing dial. This watch looks better in person compared to the online pictures. Even this video doesn't do it justice. The dial finishing is amazing and it looks so different in low light versus outside in the sun. The texture of the three sub-dials gives it a sporty racing look, and I also love the position of the date window. It adds even more mystery to the watch. The hour markers at 9, 12 and 3 o'clock clearly draw inspiration from a speedometer from the old days of racing. The domed crystal creates a small ambiguity when you look at the tachymeter from certain angles, another thing that I love. I believe they got it right. The balance of the dial, the proportions, the positioning of everything, while also keeping the Timex DNA. The screw down back of the watch is not plain at all. It proudly displays the world and also the starting point of Timex, which is 1854, underlying the rich history of the brand. What can I say, guys? This Timex is not leaving my collection. I get surprised every time I look down at my wrist. This is elegant, sporty, comfortable, useful, all at the same time. If you are intrigued, make sure to give it a try, because I guarantee it won't take long until you fall in love with it. If I didn't bore you and you are still here, thank you for watching. It really means a lot. Consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up so that the YouTube gods push this video to even more people. Let me know in the comment section below if you own a Timex watch, maybe a vintage model, or maybe plan on buying this exact one. I would love to hear your stories. Until next time.